Hello everybody. In today's video we're going to be doing a 5-year update on the Rain-X Silicone Endura wiper blades. I installed these May of 2020 and it is now May of 2025 and it is raining. So perfect. Let's take a look at them. Quick headlight update a year later. That clear coat's holding up good. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about our Rain-X wiper blades. I can't really see it in the rain, but they are the wiper blades. And you can see they are completely quiet still. Do a very good job of not streaking at all anywhere. They're not skipping, not chirping. Very good. Rain-X. Just clear across the board. And they've held up through 5 Wisconsin winters and summers. Lots of brutal conditions. A little skippy there, but it doesn't affect the wipe quality really. Not a lot of pullback. Of course, it's not really raining too hard at the exact moment. I'll pause and come back a couple seconds later once it starts picking up again. Okay, now we'll give a quick look from inside the vehicle. Very clear all the way across. Clear, clean line. No major streaking. Not a lot of pullback. A little thunder in the background. They do get a little choppy when there's not a lot of rain on the window, but you know, especially once you get driving, you don't even notice that little bit of choppiness because there's a lot more rain hitting the windshield at that point. But nonetheless, you can see these are holding up extremely well for 5 years, and in my honest opinion, they've got a lot of life left in them. I'm in my MDX now, and I have the Silicone Endura wiper blades on this vehicle as well. These wiper blades are 1 year old. Let's do a quick comparison to see how the old versus the new perform. Again, really no difference. These perform flawlessly as well. No noise. No streaking, no chattering. I can't notice a difference, can you? Maybe one more. A+. These are just great wiper blades. Quick view from the outside of the silicone wiper blades. 1 year old on my MDX. And again, no noise, no streaking, no chattering, just perfect performance across the board. Beautiful. Definitely worth the $50. I have no doubt these are going to last as long as the ones on my TL, 5+ years. Awesome. And we're driving now on the highway, 60 miles an hour. Got the AC on so the window shouldn't fog up anymore. Let's see how it does during an actual drive. Again, it's doing a good job of not streaking or chattering or anything, even at highway speeds. Clean and clear across the board. What more could you ask for? These blades were $50 for the set. Divided by 5 years, that's $10 a year. So that's a pretty good deal. And they, again, still have plenty of life left in them, in my honest opinion. Let's do a couple more swipes. I mean, that's phenomenal. That's really great. I couldn't recommend these anymore. They are seriously the best on the market. I've put them on multiple cars in my family, and they're working perfectly for everybody. They all love them. So if you're interested in these Rain-X Silicone Endura wiper blades, you can get them exclusively from Walmart for about $26.48 per blade. That's around $53 per pair. A little higher than it was 5 years ago at $50, but considering COVID, inflation, and tariffs, you gotta respect Walmart and Rain-X for keeping these blades at a respectable price considering that. And a quick important note, before you install these wiper blades, make sure you remove this yellow plastic protector. It is to protect the wiper blade in the packaging, and if you don't remove it before installing it, you're gonna turn on your wiper blades and they're gonna perform terribly. And it is one of two main reasons why people give wiper blades a 1-star review. The other reason being that people are purchasing the incorrect sized wiper blade. So purchase the right size and remove that yellow plastic guard, and you will have an amazing, flawless wiper blade experience. There's also been some confusion concerning the revised editions that have come out. So let's come over to Rain-X's website, where you're going to find the Silicone Endura, the Silicone Supreme, and the Silicone AdvantEdge. And they do have a couple minor differences. Mainly, it's going to be where you're going to be able to purchase them from, the price you're going to pay for them, as well as a minor design difference. So starting with the Endura, again, this is the blade I purchased and reviewed. You can get them exclusively from Walmart for $53 a pair. Otherwise, you got this Silicone Supreme, and this used to be sold at Ace Hardware. You can't find them there anymore. Otherwise, you're going to find them at local statewide store chains, such as in the Midwest, we've got Menards and Fleet Farm. You're going to find these for about $23 to $27 per blade, so about the same price. Additionally, these are going to be the exact same blade, the Silicone Endura and Supreme. Come down here, and they're going to use the exact same pictures between the two, just different wording. And over here we've got the Silicone AdvantEdge, and you're going to find these at your major automotive stores. Come on over here, you're going to find them at AutoZone and O'Reilly. These are going to be $40 per blade. That is absolutely ridiculous. $80 for a pair. Don't buy them from there. You can also find them at Advanced Auto, where it's a little cheaper with their online 15% discount code at $33 per blade or $66 per pair. Don't buy it there either. Also, weirdly enough, you can get them at Napa Auto Parts, where it's $21 per blade. So I would recommend buying them from there. There is one caveat though. These have a slight design difference. The spoiler on this one is asymmetrical and slightly off-centered, whereas this one is right down the middle and is symmetrical. And if we zoom in on the actual wiper blade itself, you can see it's got a little triangle and then a single line. Coming over to this one, it has a triangle and then two lines. Very minor difference. Whether or not these differences make a difference in the wiping performance, I don't know. But just do know that I very specifically reviewed the Silicone Endura wiper blades. But nonetheless, I'm sure they're all pretty much the exact same wiper blade and will give the exact same performance. So basically, just get your hands on the cheapest one that you can. Again, these are the Rain-X Silicone Endura wiper blades. 5 years old. Still performing strong. So thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little quick update video. Have a great day, and take care.